In this video I'm sharing a recipe for a solid body butter, a wonderful alternative to regular cream or lotion. Very practical, user and travel friendly and very easy to make, with just a few but amazing skincare ingredients. You will need a mold. This one is a very simple one I got and I will leave a link down below, but you can use any mold really. To add a little interest, I would like to include a botanical, and instead of the usual rose petals, I opted for dried cornflowers that I found in a specialized shop, and I just love the bright blue color. Let's see what the ingredients are and why we are using them. To give the solid body butter the needed hardness, we add beeswax. The anti-inflammatory properties of beeswax encourage the healing of wounds. It is also protective, helping form a barrier between the skin and the environment without clogging pores. Further, beeswax is high in vitamin A, which has been found to support cell reconstruction and health. Then we have shea butter. High concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins make shea butter an ideal cosmetic ingredient for softening skin. It also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Our main skincare ingredient is cocoa butter, containing amazing benefits for our skin. Cocoa butter is a type of vegetable fat that comes from raw cocoa beans. Manufacturers extract cocoa butter by roasting, stripping, and then pressing cocoa beans to separate the fat. The remaining portion is turned into cocoa powder. Both forms are ideal, not only as a nutrient in chocolate, but in skincare too. I'm transferring this mixture to a double boiler because it is my favorite heating method and it is very gentle. You can also use a microwave, and if you do, be sure to use short increments of 30 seconds so you don't overheat the ingredients. While the mixture melts down on a low heat, I will prepare the mold. I like to place it on a tray so I can easily move it around when needed. I just sprinkle some cornflowers into the mold. Meanwhile, the ingredients are fully melted and I will add just a little bit of mica to give it a light pink tint. Keep in mind that the color will turn out lighter once the mixture cools. You could use a frozen spoon to verify the intensity of your color, and if needed, just add some more mica. It's now time to add the fragrance if you wish. This one here is called Lily of the Valley from Brambleberry, very nice and feminine. I give it a good mix, and now we are ready to pour. But really, I would like the cornflowers to stay on top. So I pour a little mixture to kind of fix the cornflowers so they don't disperse all over the mold, but stay on top of it, if that makes sense. I just let it harden up a bit before I continue to pour and fill the rest of the cavity to the top. Give it a couple of hours to completely harden. I personally had the best results by putting the mold into the fridge for a nice and crisp unmolding. Now let's have a look how they turned out. They come out perfectly and look adorable, don't you think? I like to let them sit for a day or two before packaging. If you're interested in other skincare recipes, you can check out the playlist on the screen where we can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!